పడితే వాడు రావడానికి, ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు పోవడానికి ఇదేమన్నా పశువులు కొట్ట? బాగమతి అడ్డా, లెక్కలు తేలాలి, ఒక్కడిని పోనివ్వను.
Bagmati is very very special to me because from House of UV Creations, it's produced by Pramod, Vamsi and Vicky. Why it's so important? It's my first female oriented script. Till now I've never did on that kind of subject or something. Anushka is one lady where she's really, any kind of get up for her will be very very big. So Arundhati was like my very very special thing for me. From the day I saw Arundhati, I had it in mind, definitely I want to compose for Anushka sometime. One female oriented subject definitely, and that happened with Bagmati and I was so excited. So it was a dream come true for composing Anushka. Actually, Bagmati generally it had only one song. When I heard the script, when Ashok sir narrated the script, he said only we have one song in the film. So then I felt how strong the script would have been if he had one song. So how much you would have trusted the script? In this season, or not trusting the songs and only trusting the script. So I thought definitely background score, it is going to be a magic. So when Ashok narrated me the script, I fell in like craziest love. I knew the day one that this film is going to be one of the blockbusters. Whenever it releases, definitely this is not a genre film, no. It's kind of a wherever it's like a pan Indian film. If you take in Hindi, it will run well. If you take in Malayalam, it will run well. Tamil, Telugu, whichever language it runs, it will do well, because the base of the script is like that. So me and I was very very confident on the script, and I told Vamsi, immediately I called up Vamsi, said, Vamsi, you are taking a blockbuster. So whatever effort we are going to put, technically it will be very very big. But he said, did you not worry about the songs? Definitely background score is going to get lots of name, so why should worry about the songs? So anyway, it's going to be music anyway. So I had that much calculation in the film, so I did not worry about the songs. And we had only one song called Mandara Mandara, which is a very very sweet melody. Sung by Shreya Ghoshal, written by Srijo, one of my very good friends in US. He stays in US and he has written a great work for Bagmati. And Mandara Mandara is my favorite song. Lots of people love that song, and it's one of my favorite song. And I know what's the strong melody it has, and thank Shreya Ghoshal for making it more sweet.
Mandara Mandara karige tellarila kiranale nanne chirila kallara chustunna kallara sarikotta sneham tarichera ఏది బదులో ఏమో అది తేలేనా.
Like it all started in Iram, where the water element was the horror thing happened. So from that day, horror na edo za zizu edo something sound put by sound putting the sound and making them fearful is not my kind of target. So how can we make them make them fear with melody and with new kind of sounds? Like we had in hammer music in places. One hammer sound how we can make one hammer sound, how we can make people fear. So we had that kind of hammer, we called it as an hammer theme, and the first trailer we launched for Bagmati was in the hammer theme. And really I was really happy. Sometimes it's very very challenging, and Bagmati was an 1 year project where we discussed about lots of sounds and lots of things. So sound design, definitely sound design was a very big target for us. It was like Everest, it was like a mountain to climb. Nowadays spending time on post production, that too, it's a very very tough job. So because finally you get the dubbing, finally you get the effects, finally you get the music, and sitting calibrating the speakers, getting the sound output is so tough, very very tough. And you understanding what engineer, what the Atmos engineer does, what the 5.1 engineer does. So there are lots of things to be understood in designing the sound for Bagmati. Luckily we had one fantastic FX guy called Sachin. Sachin, you would have known his name. He has done lots of films in Tamil also. And Sachin is one fantastic human I have ever met. He's a great very very knowledgeable person. So the good thing happened to Bagmati was we had effects in our hand when we are doing the background score. So we had the whole effects like rain, thunder, the footsteps inside the house and everything. So it was very very beautiful for us. When we worked on the film, we know where the effect should come, where I should not play the music and everything. The picture, the mind was very very clear. And so the design started happening from there. So I know where to put this sound in Atmos, where to make this sound, and the whole film we had only one lyric where we can make people fear is called one word called Bagmati. So whatever should happen in the word Bagmati, that's all. This 4-letter word, we have to finish everything. So I selected the word Ba. Why? Ba. And in a sudden ba, we'll say no to make people fear. So I use the word Ba. So it's all started from there, and started from the ba 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 ba. So like that we composed lots of melodies, and that really worked really well. I'm so happy that the experiment worked, and the kind of support I got from people and from my orchestra, from my violins. You saw down how my team worked and everything. So that's how the Bagmati's cookie crumbled. Bagmati is an pan-Indian film. We thought, like, we know that this film is releasing in all the 3 languages. So that there was no lyric complication also. Except Mandara song, we didn't add any much complication on the lyrical side from my side. The dubbing though was very very strong. Like Telugu is a little longer language. Tamil is one little smaller, and Malayalam is even more smaller. So the trimming versions, the versions of the films were trimmed in Malayalam, trimmed in Tamil. So the background score has to be edited for all these 3 languages initially, every Reels one when we completed, because the sound design should not change, and the automation levels of the Atmos and 5.1 can't be changed every time because it's like written everything. So we write the speaker levels on the computer so that it will distribute the sound properly to all the 64 speakers or 128 speakers, like however it is. Atmos is like the roof sound and the roof on the roof sub. So we distribute the sound properly so that it hugs same time, and same time it gives so much fear also. So working on the 3 languages was little strainful for the editors, not for us, for the dubbing editors who really worked really well. But in Tamil and Malayalam it was received very well, and it was not sounding like a dubbing film, and we made sure that it was very straight and very clear. So we saw all the 3 versions before it was sent from the Cube, and we really enjoyed all the 3 languages, and it was very challenging to release that on the same day. Definitely it's like a mountain, it's like, so we climbed an Everest.
ఎప్పుడు పడితే వాడు రావడానికి, ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు పోవడానికి ఇదేమన్నా పశువులు తొట్ట? బాగమతి అడ్డా, లెక్కలు తేలాలి, ఒక్కడిని పోనివ్వను.
Director is always fun. He did an horror film, but the fun there was. I thought, where is the comedy? So the comedy happened between us when we were discussing about the sound and everything, and lots of stuff. So director is fantastic. I said in all the interviews, he's like a halwa. He's very sweet. I call him halwa when he comes to Mavanga halwa, okaranga, wow, come on halwa, come sit. So like that, he is a fantastic person, and we really enjoyed. And he gave us so much freedom. That's important, because the trust and the freedom is very important. You should trust a person to give them. So the trust was so very big. So the way he trusted us was like really big, and I should thank Ashok for trusting us in this project. And from the day one we met, he was asking about all my films. He was asking about every other thing. So we became very close, like one of a family person. And so that's how it worked. And Ashok is a fantastic person to work with. He's like, if you ask him to go do an atom bomb tomorrow morning, he'll go do the research, and he'll make an atom bomb and come. So he's a so knowledgeable person. So he could have become Abdul Kalam's assistant if he's not a director today. So definitely he's got that much knowledge, and I'm really happy that more than film, I learned lots of things from him. And it happened initially with Siddharth for boys. That guy also is too knowledgeable. He knows everything. He knows whatever. He knows everything. Like that, Ashok is that kind of candidate. I'm really happy that I met two stereotype persons in life. Anushka, coming to Anushka, she is called the sweetie of the industry. I don't know why she was called. I was just wondering how she is called sweetie. See, I like 2-3 times I met her, then I fell for her. That's all. I felt okay. Oh, she is not sweetie. She is the sweetest person. So the kind of effort she takes, the kind of so much thinking in her brain, like every step, every dialogue. So much strain she takes in her head. You can't see that outside. On the face you can't see. She'll be smiling around, she'll be talking around, her motto is make everyone happy in the set. Laughing, from the light band to cameraman, from the director, everyone. If I go to set suddenly, she'll come Taman, and she'll welcome us in a bigger way, and she'll make us sit, she'll talk something. But something is running in the brain. Because I am also like that, like I be very jovial, I be very thing, but in my mind everything is running like very strong. I found sweetie like me, like her. She keeps very cool head, like MS Dhoni in cricket. She keeps very cool in the field, and she doesn't show that emotions out. And once she performs, she'll be the best. Like how Dhoni is like #1 in the cricket. Sweetie is like that. She is a #1. There is no. I will write and give. No one can perform like her, and it's like so much perfection. She adds so much, her ears and eyes and everything is so connected, and she takes everything properly to her ear, and she takes so much time to revert back and everything, and whatever she performs, and it will be a number one take, and it will be the best. And she's a fantastic human. That's what she's called, Sweetie. Simply no one will call Sweetie. No one will like to call. I asked her, anyone you hurted, why everyone is calling you Sweetie? Anyone you hurted in life? No, why like that? She's super sweet, and I'm really happy that being a biggest fan of her still now, and I'm seriously, after working for Bagmati also, I still feel that I should work with Sweetie more, and she's a fantastic human, and I like her, I love her a lot, and that's how the music showed. So it's all like how you show the love to people, how you show everything. So I like the whole team, and that's the love we showed to Sweetie, and she's a fantastic person, and she deserves this big victory, and she needs this victory always in life.
మీరు మమ్మల్ని నడిపిస్తానంటుంది చీకట్లో కాదు, వెలుగులోకి. ఇంతమందికి మంచి చేసే ప్రాజెక్ట్ కోసం ఐల్ బి దేర్ విత్ యూ.
Bagmati's success is not one man's or one thing's success. It's like Pramod, Vicky, and Vamsi. The way they think, the way they execute is very big. They think very big. If they want to buy a pen, they'll go buy the best, and they'll wait for that. And these people are like that, and they don't care about the release dates or something. Once they have a final product in the hand, they are ready to go. So like that, they have a very quality mind. They have a very quality mind, and very strategic execution, and proper planning, and fantastic team, back office team like Sandeep, Sridhar, Venu. Lots of people in his office are always like, I've never seen them in a tension mode. They're so jovial. They play cricket, they enjoy their time, they spend they have so much parties, they enjoy everything, every bit of life they enjoy. And I'm really happy that I've given 2 successful films for my own banner. I call, definitely I'm not falling behind or taking back the words, and definitely UE will remain one of the best companies I've ever worked, and really fantastic people, Vamsi, Pramod, and Vicky, so encourageable. They encourage so much, and the only thing, the trust, such a very big trust they have it in mind, and that's a fantastic thing to happen for me. They trusted me a lot, and I'm really happy to God that they have given me 3 fantastic brothers in life, that is Pramod, Vicky, and Vamsi. And 2 more big technicians in the film I forgot to tell you, that is Madhi sir. Madhi sir, generally all the music directors love cameramans, really. They fall in love because the way they show their songs and films and everything. So that to execute that in a big way, if you do a song and you see a good shot, you really fall, oh what a shot, a cameraman, what job he has done. So Madhi is like that. He is a fantastic technician, and the major part of credit goes to Madhi for giving us great visuals in that house and everything. And I really love Madhi sir. I've been a very big fan of Madhi sir, so I wanted to work from the day I saw his films. Really happy to work with one of the biggest technicians of South India. We love you, Madhi sir. Thanks for the fantastic work and patience and the trust you had on us, and really happy that today we have achieved very big and won lots of hearts. And one more person is Ravi, the art director of the film. He's also one more person, one more super duper candidate, hyper candidate, like Red Bull candidate, super energetic always. And you saw the set, right, how it was done. No one would have done that kind of hard work. Seriously, you go to see, and there is a water body on the right inside the house. Then the water comes from the down. You have to plan properly because everything is made of a plaster of Paris and wood. So the kind of water it leaks and everything, and the walking places and everything. Everybody is running around the places, and the Bagmati, that lock and everything, the way the door was formed. So if you go to his office also, you see lots of very you don't know, you will not see a very everything will be a very peculiar one, and every corner of the table will have something very new stuff. You don't see it anywhere. So he's a very what I say, very peculiar person, very attractive candidate, and really Madhi and Ravi sir made this Bagmati look so big, and so that all inspired us. So it's all like quality thinking. So it's like a good art director gave a cameraman a lots of space to show, and the cameraman gave the director a very big hope, and the director gave the heroine Anushka Sweetie a very big role, and finally it's like it comes to the editor, and editor gave us a great Chanti Garu gave us a great space, and it came to me. So it's all like the quality thinking from everyone, from the production to the final mixing people who in NAC Studios we have done the final mixing. So I thank Uday, Ranjit and Saravanan, everybody for their patience and hard work they given in the final days for Bagmati, and the NAC Studios like Harish and Kalyan sir, what an encouragement they gave, and it's all like everybody's hard work we have put in, and that's it. So that's it, there Bagmati ends, and thanks for loving the whole film and making a background score look so big. Thank you.
ఎప్పుడు పడితే వాడు రావడానికి, ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు పోవడానికి ఇదేమన్నా పశువుల తొట్ట? బాగమతి అడ్డా, లెక్కలు తేలాలి.